Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Have you ever misplaced your iPhone and felt that rush of panic? Don't worry. I'm here to walk you through how to find your lost iPhone in 2025, with all the latest updates making it simpler than ever. Whether it's under the couch or in a coffee shop, we'll get it back quickly. First things first, make sure you have the Find My feature enabled on your device. This is your best friend for tracking, and in 2025, it's even more precise with enhanced location accuracy and integration with Apple's new ecosystem updates. Step 1. Grab another Apple device, like your iPad or Mac, and open the Find My app. If you don't have access to another device, head to iCloud.com on any web browser and sign in with your Apple ID. Once you're in, you'll see a map showing the approximate location of your lost iPhone. In 2025, this map uses advanced satellite data for better pinpointing, even in remote areas. Next, if you think your iPhone is nearby, tap the Play Sound option. It'll blast a loud alert for up to 5 minutes, helping you zero in on it, even if it's on silent mode. That's a game changer. If it's not close, go for Lost Mode. This locks your iPhone remotely and displays a custom message with your contact info on the screen, so anyone who finds it can get in touch. Now, for added security, 2025 brings improved anti-theft features. You can remotely erase your device if needed, but only do this as a last resort since it wipes all data. Also, keep an eye on the new Precision Finding tool if you're using an iPhone 16 or later. It uses augmented reality to guide you straight to your phone. A few quick tips. Always enable two-factor authentication for your Apple ID, and regularly back up your data to iCloud. If you suspect theft, contact your local authorities right away and report the device as lost through Apple's support. There you have it. Simple steps to reunite with your iPhone. Stay vigilant, and remember, technology is here to make life easier. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.